Do not exceed 180 knots.
Hawaiian 450, continuous files. Expect the ILS approach runway 28 left at San Francisco.
Roger, Hawaiian 450.
Roger, Skylex 5604. Starlink 411, do not exceed 170 knots. Qatar Cargo 65, turn right heading 260, descend and maintain 6000. Delta Oscar November Uniform Tango, turn right heading 360. Do not exceed 170 knots, Starlink 411. Turn right heading 360, Delta Oscar November Uniform Tango. United 314, turn left heading 250, descend and maintain 5000. Turn right heading 260, descend and maintain 6000, Qatar Cargo 65. United 309, contact San Francisco Tower on 120.5. Frequency change approved Delta 2002, good day. Qatari 013 Victor Alpha Heavy, contact San Francisco Tower on 120.5. Papa Hotel Sierra Oscar Foxtrot, maintain 170 knots until 5-mile final. Starlink 411, do not exceed 160 knots. Do not exceed 180 knots, Hawaiian 812 Heavy. Hawaiian 812 Heavy, turn left heading 070, descend and maintain 4000. JetBlue 194 Echo Zulu, turn right heading 240, descend and maintain 5000. Turn left heading 070, descend and maintain 4000, Hawaiian 812 Heavy. Saudia 127 Heavy, do not exceed 210 knots. Singapore 227 Sierra Quebec, do not exceed 210 knots. Virgin 193, descend and maintain 4000, maintain 4000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 28 right approach. United 314, turn right heading 260, descend and maintain 4000, maintain 4000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 28 right approach. Turn right heading 260, descend and maintain 4000, maintain 4000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 28 right, United 314. Seabird 287 Heavy is 4 nautical miles northeast of Maka Federal at 3,800 feet, requesting ILS approach runway 30 at Oakland International. Seabird 287 Heavy, turn left heading 310, descend and maintain 2000. Delta Oscar November Uniform Tango, turn left heading 310, descend and maintain 3000, maintain 3000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 28 left approach. Turn right heading 320, descend and maintain 4000, Qatar Cargo 65. Turn right heading 250, descend and maintain 4000, JetBlue 194 Echo Zulu. Turn right heading 060, Hawaiian 812 Heavy. Starlink 411, maintain 160 knots until 4-mile final.
Maintain 170 knots until 5-mile final, Virgin 193.
Hawaiian 812 Heavy, please follow instructions or you will be reported. Seabird 287 Heavy, expect vectors for the visual approach runway 30 at Oakland International. Roger, Seabird 287 Heavy. Qatar Cargo 65, turn right heading 010. Saudia 127 Heavy, do not exceed 180 knots. Singapore 52, turn left heading 070, descend and maintain 5000. Hawaiian 812 Heavy, do not exceed 170 knots. Turn left heading 070, descend and maintain 5000, Singapore 52.
Contacting San Francisco Tower on 120.5, Virgin 193.
Hawaiian 812 Heavy, turn left heading 310, descend and maintain 3000, maintain 3000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 28 left approach. Starlink 411, contact San Francisco Tower on 120.5. Contacting San Francisco Tower on 120.5, Starlink 411. Delta Oscar November Uniform Tango, maintain 160 knots until 4-mile final. Hawaiian 450, descend and maintain 5000. Delta Oscar November Uniform Tango, contact San Francisco Tower on 120.5. United 314, contact San Francisco Tower on 120.5. Contacting San Francisco Tower on 120.5, Delta Oscar November Uniform Tango. Contacting San Francisco Tower on 120.5, United 314. Lufthansa 454 Super is 5 nautical miles southwest of 7M Ranch at 29,000 feet, requesting ILS approach runway 28 right at San Francisco. November 738 Mike Alpha is 9 nautical miles west of Marin Ranch at 18,200 feet, requesting ILS approach runway 28 right at San Francisco. FedEx 872 Heavy, turn right heading 250, descend and maintain 4,000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 28 right approach. November 738 Mike Alpha, continuous files, expect the ILS approach runway 28 right at San Francisco. Roger, November 738 Mike Alpha. JetBlue 194 Echo Zulu, turn right heading 310, descend and maintain 4,000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 28 right approach.
Do not exceed 170 knots. Qatar Cargo 65.
Singapore 52, turn right heading 100. Turn right heading 100, Singapore 52. NorCal approach, 4 Lima Lima Uniform Charlie Alpha Sierra, with you at 17,600. JetBlue 194 Echo Zulu, turn right heading 310, descend and maintain 3,000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 28 right approach.
Turn right heading 310, descend and maintain 3,000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 28 right, JetBlue 194 Echo Zulu.
4 Lima Lima Uniform Charlie Alpha Sierra, requesting ILS approach runway 28 right at San Francisco. Do not exceed 180 knots, FedEx 872 Heavy. 4 Lima Lima Uniform Charlie Alpha Sierra, continuous files, expect the ILS approach runway 28 left at San Francisco. Roger, 4 Lima Lima Uniform Charlie Alpha Sierra. Delta 2612 is 2 nautical miles west of Lodi at 15,300 feet, requesting visual approach runway 28 left at San Francisco. JetBlue 194 Echo Zulu, maintain 170 knots until 5-mile final.
Maintain 170 knots until 5-mile final, JetBlue 194 Echo Zulu.
SkyWest 2855, continuous files, expect the ILS approach runway 28 right at San Francisco. Singapore 227 Sierra Quebec, descend and maintain 3,000. Do not exceed 250 knots, SkyWest 2855.
Descend and maintain 3000, Singapore 227 Sierra Quebec.
SkyWest 5604, turn left heading 190, descend and maintain 5,000. Beauty 40 Juliet Charlie, you're in an active airspace, please contact NorCal approach on 133.9 or 5. Starwalker 315, frequency change approved, good day. November 738 Mike Alpha, descend via arrival. Turn left heading 190, descend and maintain 5,000, SkyWest 5604. Descending Hawaiian 450, expect vectors for the ILS approach runway 28 right at San.
Roger, Hawaiian 450.
United 9212, continuous files, expect the ILS approach runway 28 left at San Francisco. Singapore 52, turn right heading 190. Roger, United 9212. Singapore 227 Sierra Quebec, turn left heading 010. Turn right heading 190, Singapore 52.
Turn left heading 010, Singapore 227 Sierra Quebec.
NorCal approach, Beauty 40 Juliet Charlie, with you at 11,000. Singapore 227 Sierra Quebec, turn left heading 310, maintain 3,000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 28 left approach. Singapore 52, turn right, Hawaiian 450, turn left heading 050, descend and maintain 4,000. Turn left heading 100.
Turn left heading 050, descend and maintain 4000, Hawaiian 450.
Maintain 180 knots until 6-mile final, Saudia 127 Heavy. Singapore 227 Sierra Quebec, maintain 170 knots until 5 mile final. Maintain 180 knots until 6 mile final, FedEx 872 Heavy. Singapore 52, Hawaiian 450, do not exceed 180 knots.
Do not exceed 180 knots, Hawaiian 450.
Beauty 40 Juliet Charlie, do not exceed 210 knots. Do not exceed 180 knots, SkyWest 5604. Alaska 007, frequency change approved, good day.
Do not exceed 210 knots, Beauty 40 Juliet Charlie. Frequency change approved Alaska 007, good day.
4 Lima Lima Uniform Charlie Alpha Sierra, descend via arrival. Speedbird 285 Super, you're in an active airspace, please contact NorCal approach on 133.95. Descending via Pirate 3 arrival, 4 Lima Lima Uniform Charlie Alpha Sierra. Delta 2612, descend and maintain 8000. Descend and maintain 8000, Delta 2612. FedEx 872 Heavy. Hawaiian 450, turn left heading 010.
Turn left heading 010, Hawaiian 450.
Southwest 4300, radar contact, stay approach request. Alaska 411, continuous filed, expect the ILS approach runway 28 right at San Francisco. Speedbird 285 Super, continuous filed, expect the ILS approach runway 28 right at San Francisco. Lufthansa 454 Super, do not exceed 230 knots. Roger, Alaska 411. Roger, Speedbird 285 Super. Do not exceed 230 knots. Hawaiian 450, turn left heading 310, descend and maintain 3000, maintain 3000 until established on a localizer.
Turn left heading 310, descend and maintain 3000, maintain 3000 until established on the localizer. Cleared ILS runway 28 right, Hawaiian 450.
Hawaiian 450, maintain 170 knots until 5 mile final.
Maintain 170 knots until 5 mile final, Hawaiian 450.
SkyWest 5604, turn right heading 250, descend and maintain 4000, maintain 4000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 28 right approach.
NorCal approach, Delta 17, with you at 21,200.
Alaska 411, descend and maintain 5000. Beauty 40 Juliet Charlie, turn right heading 160, descend and maintain 5000.
Delta 17 is 2 nautical miles west of Hollister Muni at 21,000 feet, requesting visual approach any runway at San Francisco.
November 738 Mike Alpha, do not exceed 180 knots. Turn right heading 250, descend and maintain 4000, maintain 4000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 28 right, SkyWest 5604. Southwest 4300, continuous file, expect the ILS approach runway 28 right at San Francisco. Roger, United 2391. Beauty 40 Juliet Charlie, do not exceed 180 knots.
Do not exceed 180 knots, Beauty 40 Juliet Charlie.
November 738 Mike Alpha, expect vectors for the ILS approach runway 28 left at San Francisco. Roger, November 738 Mike Alpha. Do not exceed 180 knots, United 009 India November Heavy.
Turn left heading 130, Beauty 40 Juliet Charlie.
SkyWest 5604. Hawaiian 450, you're aligned with the wrong runway. Please check runway assignment. Speedbird.
I'm sorry, Hawaiian 450.
Delta 17, turn left heading 280, descend and maintain 7000. 4 Lima Lima Uniform Charlie Alpha Sierra, descend and maintain 7000. Turn left heading 080, descend and maintain 6000, Speedbird 285 Super. United 9212, descend and maintain 7000.
Turn left heading 280, descend and maintain 7000, Delta 17.
KLM 605, continuous file, expect the ILS approach runway 28 right at San Francisco.
Hawaiian 450, request frequency change.
Delta 2612, do not exceed 180 knots. Do not exceed 180 knots. Hawaiian 450, contact San Francisco Tower on 120.
Maintain 170 knots until 5 mile final, Hawaiian 450.
Maintain 170 knots until 5 mile final, SkyWest 5. November 738 Mike Alpha, turn left heading 210.
San Francisco Tower, Hawaiian 450, inbound on the ILS runway 28 right.
San Francisco Tower, Turkish 290, ready for departure at runway 28 left, departing north.
Scandinavian 396 Heavy, line up at Hawaiian 450, wind 410 at 3, number 2, runway 28 right, clear to land.
Number 2, clear to land, runway 28 right, Hawaiian 450.
Line up and wait runway 28 left, Turkish 290.
Delta Alpha Papa Delta Juliet Heavy, line up and wait runway 1 right. 9 Juliet Zulu Echo Delta, line up and wait runway 28 right.
Line up and wait runway 1 right, Delta Alpha Papa Delta Juliet Heavy.
Line up and wait runway 28 right, 9 Juliet Zulu Echo Delta. Singapore 227 Sierra Quebec, when able turn left in contact ground, please expedite, traffic on final. Wilco, Singapore 227 Sierra Quebec. JetBlue 194 Echo Zulu, cross runway 28 left, please expedite.
Crossing runway 28 left, JetBlue 194 Echo Zulu.
Alaska 626 Heavy, wind 050 at 3, runway 1 left, cleared for immediate takeoff, fly runway heading until at or above 5,000 feet.
1,000.
Delta Alpha Papa Delta Juliet Heavy, wind 050 at 3, runway 1 right, cleared for immediate takeoff, fly runway heading until at or above 3,000 feet.
Cleared for takeoff, runway 1 left, Alaska 626 Heavy.
Cleared for takeoff, runway 1 right, Delta Alpha Papa Delta Juliet Heavy.
Singapore 52, hold short of runway 28 left.
San Francisco Tower, Seabreeze 1214, ready for departure at runway 28 right, departing north.
Holding short runway 28 left, Singapore 52.
500.
Singapore 52, cross runway 28 left, please expedite. Crossing runway 28 left,
400.
Singapore 52.
San Francisco Tower, Hawaiian 450 is 2 nautical miles to the southeast at
300.
inbound for landing.
Thank you, good day, Singapore 52.
300.
Wind 410 at 3, number 2, runway 28 right, clear to land. Clear for
100.
takeoff, runway 28 right, 9 Juliet Zulu Echo Delta.
50. 40. 30.
Number 2, clear to land,
20.
runway 28 right, SkyWest
10.
5604. Expedite, traffic on final.
Wilco, Hawaiian 450.
Seabreeze 1214, hold short of runway 28 right. Lufthansa 492, wind 050 at 3, runway 28 left, cleared for immediate takeoff.
Holding short runway 28 right, Seabreeze 1214.
United 13 Heavy, line up and wait runway 28 left. Cleared for takeoff, runway 28 left, Lufthansa 492. United 13 Heavy, disregard last message. United 13 Heavy, hold short of runway 1 left. Holding short runway 1 left, United 13 Heavy.
Hawaiian 450, request permission to cross runway 28.
Hawaiian 450, cross runway 28 left, please expedite.
Crossing runway 28 left, Hawaiian 450.
San Francisco Tower, Emirates 63 Heavy, ready for departure at runway 28 left, departing east. Beauty 40 Juliet Charlie, wind 410 at 3, number 1, runway 28 right, cleared to land. San Francisco Tower, November 738 Mike Alpha is 6 nautical miles to the southeast at 1,500 feet, inbound for landing. Hawaiian 450, contact San Francisco ground on 121.8. Emirates 63 Heavy, hold short of runway 28 left.
Contacting San Francisco ground on 121.8, Hawaiian 450.
Taxiing to runway 1 left, WestJet 1501.
San Francisco ground, Hawaiian 450, request taxi to parking. Taxi to parking, Hawaiian 450.
San Francisco ground, Copa 395, ready for pushback with information Yankee, requesting runway 28 left.
Copa 395, hold position.
Holding position, Copa 395. San Francisco ground, Swiss 2210, ready for pushback. San Francisco ground, Air Force One, ready to taxi with information Yankee.
Swiss 2210, hold position.
San Francisco ground, SkyWest 5604, request taxi to gate F9 at the Terminal 3.
San Francisco ground, Delta 4733, ready for pushback with information Yankee.
Holding position, Swiss 2210.
San Francisco ground, Delta 225, ready for pushback with information X-ray.
SkyWest 5604, taxi to Terminal 3 gate F9 via Kilo Tango Kilo. San Francisco ground, check 123, ready to taxi to runway 1 right with information Yankee.
Taxiing to Terminal 3 gate F9 via Kilo Tango, Kilo, SkyWest 5604. San Francisco ground, United 69, ready to taxi to runway 1 right with information X-ray.
Copa 395, pushback approved, tail to the west.
Pushback approved, tail to the west, Copa 395.
Swiss 2210, pushback approved, tail to the east.
Pushback approved, tail to the east, Swiss 2210.
Delta 4733, pushback approved, tail to the south.
Coast Guard 021, disregard last message.
Pushback approved, tail to the south, Delta 4733. United 230 Heavy, taxi to runway 1 right, contact tower when ready.
San Francisco ground, Teal 021, ready for pushback. San Francisco ground, Beauty 40 Juliet Charlie, request taxi to gate F8 at the Terminal 3.
United 69, taxi to runway 1 right, contact tower when ready.
San Francisco ground, Air Force One, ready to taxi to runway 1 right with information Yankee.
Beauty 40 Juliet Charlie, taxi to Terminal 3 gate F857.
Taxi to runway 1 right, United 69.
United 725 Heavy, give way to aircraft on your right.
Thank you, Hawaiian 450.